Hello, hello! On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I'm gonna show you how I made this marbleized paper. Let's go make a mess. Let's go make a mess. This one is a little bit messy, so I'm gonna put a brown paper bag down first. Then I'm gonna use this metal baking tray and I'm gonna fill it with shaving cream. Any kind of shaving cream will work as long as it is white. Next, I'm gonna use some food coloring and I'm gonna put drops of it into the shaving cream, like this. Okay, to get the marbleized effect, we need to stir the food coloring around a little bit, and I'm going to use this wooden skewer for that. Okay, it's ready to press my paper inside like this. Once I lift it out, then I can use a piece of scrap cardboard to scrape the extra shaving cream away. And I can repeat that with a couple of other pieces of paper on the same baking tray, like this. Then I can scrape away the extra shaving cream. And I'm gonna try it one more time. And you can repeat this until your food coloring looks a little bit too messy to get another marbleized pattern. Okay. I think that's the last paper I'm gonna get out of this batch. I cannot wait to see the art that you're making at home, friends. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.